Today we will be talking about formulas in Excel. To start Excel off, let's put some numbers in. One thing about Excel, if I highlighted some of these numbers I just entered, this green box in the bottom right, I hover over that, my mouse changes to a plus. I click and drag that down to however far I want to go. It will autofill my numbers for me, so I do not have to keep entering. That box is called an autofill. All right, so let's continue with our numbers. So let's say I want to do 18, 19, 20, and I'm going to autofill these on down. So it keeps going. Here, we're going to start some formulas. So in Excel, we can do formulas such as the division, subtraction, multiplication, addition, and even exponential components too. So to start a formula off, we always start it off with the equal sign. Here, this creates it as a formula. If I want to do a cell reference, I can either type or click. In this case, it's easier to just click. Cell reference to A1. I would have to enter in the plus sign and B1. And then hit enter. And instead of me going down and doing that same formula for each one, I can autofill down and it automatically tells me. Now, let's continue on with our subtraction. So we do the same thing, cell reference, and do the minus sign. We can autofill that down. Multiplication, cell reference 2, and multiply sign. Division, and exponential. Oops. One way, instead of me autofilling each one individually, if I just highlight these three and then autofill down, it will automatically fill them in for me. Next, to show formulas, we would do the control plus and this. So this will show my formula. So it'll be my A plus my B minus my C times this, that. To show the formula that I entered here, I would simply click on it and do the control and the little apostrophe above the tab key. That will show all my formulas that I've entered. Okay. Another way to do this is if I go to the Formula tab, I can show formulas and unclick it to go back. Some other interesting formulas to do is when you press the equals, and if you want to do the sum, type in sum, parentheses, and then choose what you want to do. So my range, close parentheses, enter. You do the same for an average. Now to get that out too. More to follow when we do more functions or formulas later.